Hi guys, welcome to the Magical Art with Ananya. So today we are going to draw this simple drawing in just few easy steps. So are you ready? Quickly grab your pencil and a paper or your drawing book and let's start drawing. So first you will draw the wave. That's very simple. Draw two curvy lines to make the umbrella, and then let's make the designs on the umbrella. You can write U or W. It's very simple, right? And then let's make designs by drawing some curvy lines on the umbrella. And after that you need to draw the bear. So for that you have to draw oval or circle, whichever you are comfortable with, and then you make the ears with inverted u, and then you have to make the mouth, the nose, the eyes, the eyebrows, and the smile. So let's quickly draw them. It's all with circle and ovals or inverted U, very simple and easy things. And after you have completed this, you need to make the body. So let's quickly make the body. And after that, you need to make the design on the body of the bear. And then what you need to do, you need to draw a straight line or a little bit slanting for drawing the grass behind. And after you have completed drawing the grass, what you need to do is that you need to draw a tree. So for that you need to draw one straight line, an oval, a circle, and write a V inside. See, this is very simple. These are very easy and few step drawings that you can follow from my channel. I explain usually in all videos how to draw things and how to make them. Like, for example, right now we are drawing a fish, and you know what? I have taught in one or two videos as I can recall how to draw fish. So please go and watch them. Stay tuned on my channel to learn how to start drawing, how to draw basic things. And you need to follow me, you need to subscribe so that you get update of every video I post, what new content is coming this week. So it's very simple, and you can color it with your favorite colors. So you just need to like, share, and subscribe the Magical Art with Ananya for more such content.